If you're wondering about the top 5 Bluetooth car kits, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Are you tired of boring car rides with no music? The Lencent FM transmitter is here to change that. With its crystal clear music streaming capabilities, you can enjoy your favorite tunes through your car stereo via Bluetooth, USB flash drive, or microSD card. It supports various music formats, so you'll have no trouble finding your jam. But that's not all. This upgraded Bluetooth FM transmitter also comes with intelligent dual USB ports, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. It has built-in safety features like overcurrent protection and short-circuit protection to ensure safe charging for your devices. Say goodbye to distractions while driving. With hands-free calling and voice navigation, you can stay connected and focused on the road ahead. The Bluetooth connection provides stability, while noise suppression technology delivers an amazing hands-free calling experience. Plus, you'll get clear voice navigation from your phone's app. Worried about your car battery health? Don't be. The FM transmitter displays your car's voltage when plugged into the cigarette lighter, so you can keep track of its health and avoid any issues while driving. To top it off, this FM transmitter features a blue ambient light that adds a touch of style to your car interior. It enhances visibility and simplifies operation for safer driving. Upgrade your car audio experience with the Lencent FM transmitter and enjoy a whole new level of convenience and entertainment on the road. Introducing the Nolaxy Bluetooth FM transmitter, the ultimate car accessory for music lovers on the go. With its sleek black design and 7-color LED backlight, this transmitter will not only enhance your driving experience but also create a relaxing and cool car environment. Equipped with Smart QC 3.0 technology, it charges compatible devices up to 4x faster than standard chargers, ensuring that you never run out of battery on the road. The Bluetooth version 5.0 chip provides a stable connection and crystal clear music streaming, while the advanced noise cancellation technology guarantees clear and crisp sound for hands-free calls. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to wireless freedom with this versatile transmitter that supports Bluetooth, USB flash drive, and microSD card connectivity. Compatible with various devices and perfect for both car and truck use, the Nolaxy Bluetooth FM transmitter is a must-have for any music enthusiast. Introducing the 2023 Sumfin Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter, a game-changer for your car audio experience. With upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this adapter ensures a stable and fast connection up to 10 meters, making it perfect for both home and on-the-road use. The multifunctional one-key control allows you to easily answer or reject phone calls, play or pause music, and switch tracks, guaranteeing a safe and convenient driving experience. Plus, it supports dual connection, allowing you to connect 2 mobile phones simultaneously and share your favorite tunes with your passengers. Say goodbye to distractions with the built-in high-performance microphone that offers crystal-clear hands-free calling and voice navigation broadcast. No more fumbling with your phone while driving. This plug-and-play adapter requires no battery and comes with a USB plug port for power supply, along with a 3.5mm AUX port for connecting non-Bluetooth devices. It's the perfect solution to bring wireless capabilities to your old car stereo, speakers, amplifier, or wired headphones. Upgrade your driving experience with the Sumfin Bluetooth car adapter now. Looking for a convenient and versatile car accessory? Meet the Sumfin Bluetooth FM transmitter, our top pick for upgrading your driving experience. With its intelligent and fast charging capabilities, this transmitter ensures that your devices stay powered up for the journey ahead. Equipped with 2 USB ports, including a Smart 2.4A charge port and a QC 3.0 fast charge port, it can identify your device type and provide optimal charging speed. The large key design and 1.7-inch LCD backlight display make it easy to operate and view essential information such as song names, incoming calls, and your car's battery level. The Sumfin FM transmitter also offers broad compatibility, allowing you to connect various devices such as iPhones, tablets, and smartphones via a 3.5mm audio cable. It supports TF/microSD cards up to 32 GB in FAT format, so you can enjoy your favorite music on the go. The advanced interference and noise cancellation technology ensures high clear sound quality during calls. while the built-in microphone enables convenient hands-free communication, featuring Bluetooth version 4.2 and EDR technology. This transmitter consumes less energy and maintains a stable connection with your devices. Its gooseneck design allows you to rotate the LCD display screen for optimal viewing comfort. To turn off the FM transmitter when not in use, simply long press the next song key for 5 seconds. Upgrade your car audio experience with the Summon Bluetooth FM transmitter, the perfect companion for your daily commute or road trips. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable way to upgrade your car's audio system, the JOIR-OM Bluetooth car adapter is worth considering. With its advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this adapter provides a faster and more stable connection with minimal sound quality loss. You can enjoy your favorite music and take hands-free calls with ease, equipped with dual microphones and upgraded CVC 8.0 technology. The JOIR-OM Bluetooth car adapter ensures crystal clear calls by filtering out road noise and distractions. The plug-and-play feature allows for quick and easy setup. Simply plug it into the auxiliary jack and power it through the USB port. It will automatically pair with your phone when you start your car. With the multifunction button and LED light design, you can easily control your music and calls without distractions, ensuring a safer driving experience. The adapter also supports pairing and sharing 2 devices simultaneously, so you can enjoy music or take calls from different devices. Safety is a top priority for JOIR-OM, as this Bluetooth adapter has undergone strict quality testing and certifications including FCC, CE, RoHS, BQB, and more. It is equipped with multiple safety protections such as voltage protection, overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, and NTC overheat protection. Upgrade your car audio experience with the JOIR-OM Bluetooth car adapter, the perfect blend of convenience, functionality, and safety. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.